In crypto, seconds can be the difference between a jackpot and completely ragball. Welcome back to Tech Zone, where we don't follow the market, we stay ahead of it. Today I'm covering an early stage opportunity for B Network and what really gonna to happen. But there is the reality. 90% of people watching this video will miss this opportunity, and it's right now between your hand. If you go to description box and choose uh, the referral code and to join to B Network. The question is, are you part of 10% or watching and passing the video? But before we dive, there are one critical details about this project. We will tell it in the end. Stay with us until the end. Right now, there are many users or account on X Twitter speak about they must make a statement of July statement because this is the end of quarter of this year, and actually what really gonna to happen because they want from them to open P2P for B network. But there is the reality right now. They focusing about puzzle solving, B network QIC carnival. Every time they make a puzzle and ask people to solve it, and when they solve it, they give them a free QIC. As you see, it's down here. They make congratulations for these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 people. They choose it to make the puzzle, solve it from 411. They have luck to puzzle solving this QIC carnival. The reality is right now this year is the last year of QIC. If you know this information, you must keep mining and waiting for last QIC. We are in July, so we have August, September, October, November, December, 5 months until the end of this year. And in the end, there is no more KYC as they said in the last roadmap. For B2B, actually they make an announcement as you see here. It's BV vs Bitcoin, and as you see, they written B balance the long term vision. It's a long game. So B is not listed on any exchange, can be traded, withdraw, converted at this stage in this time. That's not a limitation, but designing the value of B is something the entry B network community. Okay, this is not a problem. Unlike while B is the long game. Bitcoin now are the community right now reward earned by completing tasks in the event center, and 200 Bitcoin equal 1 USDT. So how much you believe B network will make right now, because it's a high amount. As you see here, Bitcoins are officially upgrading to be honey, and 200 B honey equal 1 USDT, and it's on Polygon. So it's not a problem at all. And they not speak anymore about B network. All they said, it's a long game. Now focus here, because this is where 90% of people fail. Most people jump into project blindly, but professional really looking for data. That's why I have done for you www.techzonehub.net. You will find the completely technical down, even the article of this video you will find it in description box. it make you go directly to our website. You will find the full journey of P Network if you missed some data or news, and also the journey for all coin which we are mining. Plus smart contracts for coins like Star X and Sindbad, tokenomic analyze, total supply validation, risk evaluation, everything about coin which are mining, our journey. You will find it. To stay connected with us, you will find our Telegram for real timing alpha, no delays, Facebook for fast updating to keep you informed daily. Join us. You will have some time of fun. For the information we speak about it, we will stay in the end. Until now, we don't know the total supply of P Network, but there are some reason of this. They're speaking about 55 million registration account, about between 10 to 12 active user. This big, but they're speaking about they will delete the people which they not make KYC, and I am really don't know how much of the coin will left, and they will make another distribution for this coin or not. We don't know, because we don't know until now the total supply, the really total supply. This hidden information will make us guess, but I believe right now you already know the price of P Network. I believe it will be $3 minimum. Right now you have to waiting and really keep mining and waiting for KYC. Really don't miss this chance. Let me give you the truth most people ignore it. In crypto, profits are not made by luck, they are made by timing. The formula is simple: early entry, maximum profit you will have. We are not just a news channel, we are your alpha source. If this video give you even a value of information, hit the like button and turn on the notification, because the next one might be the opportunity you have been waiting for. At Tech Zone, we arrive before the crowd, and the crowd arriving right now. Stay early, stay profitable. See you in the next one.